going to see kung saan papagalingan tong dalawang teams na to, saan sila maglalaban.
Oh, sub-base is banned?
And Eagle Eye is gone too. We're gonna be starting it out on Ankara, chosen here by Sunday Shrooms, followed up by Port, and we're gonna be closing it out on Black Widow. I don't know why this initial ban from Sunday Shrooms has come through. What do you think, Salvatore?
Okay, so probably Sunday Shrooms, nire-respeto din nila yung sub-base ng Execration. Tapos parang nung winning out nila yung odds kung gaano kagaling mag-global risk talaga si Dracifer, pati si si Kid from Tondo. I mean si Kid from Hell rather. No? Pero nakikita ko rather na parang this is a map wherein baka pwede na lang natin ibanto instead of just challenging ourselves mentally. So, dahil napunta sila sa Ankara, familiar din to sa Execration. Mas maganda to naman to para naman sa Sunday Shrooms knowing na magsisimula sila sa Global Risk. Cetra and Suna will really love this. Pero for Blacklist Execration, ito rin yung hinahanap nila, yung aggression na gumumula kay Dracifer as well as kay Ram. So it will now be tested on how consistent the outputs will be in this Ankara, followed by Port, and then for our decider kung doon man tayo, kung pabangabot man doon, it's going to be a Black Widow, which is quite frankly still quite a big map na parang mas maganda to para kay Cetra pati kay Carlo.
Yeah, I think it will come down to, if it does go over into Black Widow, it's really going to put a spotlight sa dalawang sniper players at sa dalawang teams na to. Pero with that being said, Sunday Shrooms, I think, feel a little bit more confident here, especially since sa kanila yung unang map pick eh. We're gonna start on Ankara kung saan sila napaka-komportable. And with Execration on the more challenging side this time around, it might be a real challenge talaga para sa kanila na labanan yung Sunday Shrooms dito. Feeling na may momentum at may taglay na confidence yung Sunday Shrooms for today's series.
And then this will be probably a good setting for teams na gusto mo talagang makahanap ng common ground. Matic Ankara yan. And Sunday Shrooms proved to be a team na, sige, safe pick na lang natin yung pagpili ng mapa. Let's not, of course, Port or even a sub-base. We will be going to Ankara, wherein Jay Bice is also a familiar player na gusto talaga ang Ankara, and also Suna, na alam mo talagang very aggressive and kaya niyang tumulong sa pagiging anchor dito. Pero naman sa pagbubuhat, para naman sa side naman ng pagbubuhat ng bangko, individually, it looks like Cetra and Carlo will be handling the bags really, really big here. Kasi nga, a sniper versus sniper in Ankara is a must-watch talaga, and that is always the talk of the town. Kanina pa lang pinakita ng ng Gaon Gaming pati ng Ubek Mania. Gaano nagkakatagisan talaga yung pag-sniper. So this will also be a good setting in a battlefield para doon sa mga players na alam mo talagang solido pagdating sa paglalaro ng AWM.
Yeah, both teams, I think there's lots of potential here is with the sniper players nga, as you said. Pero the question here is, paano sila mag-a-adapt? Again, here with these two teams that are medyo sniper-centric yung pareho nilang strategy diba? Pero it's gonna depend still. Paano sila mag-respond? Paano sila magsisimula dito? Map number 1 is now gonna be underway. Sunday Shrooms versus Execration is in full swing, ladies and gents. Ito na nga.
Yun. Kid from Tondo. It looks like Kid from Hell will be benched here. Si Teng naman na maglalaro sa pwesto niya. Sayang yung laban ni Kid from Hell versus Kid from Tondo. Sino nga ba ang mas malakas na bata? Sayang. Yun ay parang storyline Hindi yung sino yung makakuha ng unang panalo. Sino yung malakas na bata? Si Kid from Hell o si Kid from Tondo? Kaya ngayon, ito na nakita na natin sa harapan na it's going to be Teng that will be playing here for Execration. It looks like Sunday Shrooms still sitting pretty in their spots, pero kung ikukumpara mo talaga sa pinaka-natural na pwesto ng Global Risk, napakalalim nila. And Ram already getting Cetra as the sniper is now down for Sunday Shrooms.
That's gonna be a problem, Sabi nga natin, knowing that Global Risk yung simula ng Sunday Shrooms, they would be depending a lot on the sniper na hawak ni Cetra. Pero dahil sa yung unang namatay dito, unang nawala sa mapa ngayon, medyo mas mapapadali yung trabaho ng Execration here in round number 1, pero it looks like they're unwilling to take any early fights. Talagang kailangan nilang siguraduhin na walang mag-over push sa side ng Sunday Shrooms, biglang may lalabas sa mga gilid nila. Pero with that being said, 1 minute left on the clock dito. Execration still unwilling to move on forward, and dahil nga kulang tayo ng oras, kulang tayo ng willingness to move on, Sunday Shrooms with Suna taking up the first 2 kills already.
And now, Execration with now down to mukhang Sunday Shrooms. Hinahanap na nila pa yung isa pang malalim na pwesto sa mapa.
Oy!
But this might just be a really good sign here for Carlo to overtake all of Sunday Shrooms' overextension. No? Grabe nga naman. Masyado atang ambisyoso ang Sunday Shrooms na makakuha sila ng ares na pwesto dito. Pero hindi. Mukhang Execration. Nagmamalalim na sila.
15 seconds,
na sila dito sa under. And now, Sunday Shrooms, men. Kailangan din nilang mabasa kung saan patungo ang Execration. Baka ito na ang pagkakataon para mag-start ng retake. Execration. Ang tagal, hindi ko alam kung may oras pa. Ito na ang depensa. Nice buy time. But there is no... May oras pa!
What? Nakaya ba nila yun?
Nag-zero na yun ah.
Hindi ko alam
Nag-zero na yun ah. Grabe.
0.03 na lang yun pare. Pero 1v3 na lang yung natitira. Chuma at Cutie. Kailangan niyang isa-isahin yung mga players ng Execration dito pero wala na si Carlo. Ang ganda ng pwesto. 1-0 by the skin of their teeth, pare. I thought it was over.
And Sunday Shrooms just had a very hot start para kay Suna. Pero when everyone was trying to rotate at gusto nilang kunin yung pwesto ng Execration, doon sila nadali kay Carlo. And this is indeed a sniper-heavy matchup na dapat natin pagtuunan ng pansin. 30 also trying to push out all of Double S here. And now J-Vice getting tagged. Sunday Shrooms parang talagang nadadali sila dito ng mga short trades na pinapakita ng Execration. Map control nga yung gusto ng SS. Pero pag oras naman na gagawin nila yun, duguan naman sila. Kaya Execration, ang lakas. Kumbaga, pinapunch nila to kagad.
Yeah, medyo kulang yata yung body system on the side of Sunday Shrooms. Walang refrag na nangyayari, walang trades na lumalabas kada isang duelo na may mangyayari. Pero, at least for now, we know that Sunday Shrooms can hold onto a side for as long as possible. And because of that, si Execration, kailangan nila maging mas wary, kailangan nila maging mas maingat kasi hindi mo alam kung saan manggagaling yung biglang lilitaw na players ng Execration.
And now Sunday Shrooms will have some bit of a hard time dealing with the hotel control na dinala ng Execration. Teng and Dracifer with a good duo here. Stopping Kid from Tondo, etc. Isa na namang problema sa Sunday Shrooms ang pagdepensa ng site. At ngayon pinapakita ng Execration. Ganto nga entry. Ubos na naman ang Sunday Shrooms, but will they be able to defend the whole site with just 3 members alive?
Si Suna, isa dito. Hindi niya alam, si 30 may pagpapakita, 48 seconds on the clock. Pero tinan mo, ang layo pa rin ng Execration sa mga site. 3v4 tayo ngayon. Racifer, nakakapababa ng health dito. Carlo, gonna be falling here. Chuma Cutie, holding onto the site. Great timing, not gonna work out here with Teng. Good for that trade. With the nades being spammed as well from both sides here. Execration, they do have the side but they're not willing to put the C4 down. Ito na nga, oras na para sa Sunday Shrooms. Kailangan nilang simulan yung retake.
Now, Sunday Shrooms with just J-Vice and Suna. Kailangan nilang hanapin muna si Teng dito. Kaso nga lang, testing dito si Teng and Ram. Nandoon din ang timing ng Execration. First 2 rounds from Execration over at the back of their very, very flawless entry. Napakalinis from Exe. And the experience is showing Sunday Shrooms could use a little bit of work sa kanilang defense.
We asked for this before, that Execration actually shows up today and looks like they are here in full force. Pero this time around, mas mabilis ngayon yung approach ng Execration. Di na hayaan yung Sunday Shrooms na makakuha ng masyadong maraming map control. Ito nga si Suna 360, unang malalaglag sa side ng Sunday Shrooms. Execration, exploring the map, trying to check every nook and cranny, making sure na walang mailalabas na kalokohan ng Sunday Shrooms dito. No more hijinks from you guys. It is not Sunday, it's not your day, it's not your time either, man.
Okay, Sunday Shrooms with now Suna, wala na dito, men. So, Cetra and Chuma, sila na ngayon ang magdadala ng site dito sa B. Pero, si Kid from Tondo, isang mabilisang rotation lang, baka pwede na siyang dumako dito sa A. Pero isa pa rin yung katanungan para sa Execration. Kukumit pa nila itong A na to. Kung vents ba sila manggagaling o sa entrance mismo. Nilalay na pa na nga, no? And kung Sunday Shrooms, kailangan nila ng timing dito. Pinasok na nga ng Execration. Si Chuma biglang napalayo ng tingin. At nakuha kaagad ni Teng ang trade. Mukhang naaagapan na kaagad ng Double S ang mga problema dito. Kaso nga lang Execration, masyado rin silang mabilis. And there goes C4 plant. Chuma and Suna, wala na dito. And dali-dali ngayon ang SS sa pagkilos. Kailangan pa maglinis ng SS dito ng mga natitirang miyembro sa Execration na nasa labas, nakabantay lang dito. And now Execration will now be playing around the time. Hindi na sila pumipig. This is a disciplined Execration. J-Bass is gonna get cornered. And now si Cetra na lang, pati si Kid from Tondo ang natitira. Isang pushback, tinatawag na Execration. Iyon na nga. And Ram is gonna get the double kill to secure the win once again for Execration. What a disciplined round for Execration.
Napakalinis nung depensa nung Execration when it came to the retake, pare. You know it. You saw an attempt coming in from Sunday Shrooms, but the bait and switch coming in from both 30 and Teng, I think, was so clean here. 3-0 tayo ngayon. No progress coming in from Sunday Shrooms, but they do open it up over onto Dracifer. Walang trade na mangyayari dito, pare. 2 kills para kay De Fermento. It's so clean. 3v5 bigla. The C4 nowhere close to either of the sides, but this meron tayong sandwich attempt coming in para sa Sunday Shrooms. Not gonna work out.
Now, Sunday Shrooms seeing the opportunity na mag-take over. Kaso nga lang, 30. Gusto rin kumuha ng control dito sa hotel. Kaso nga lang doon si Chumat. Ganda ng pwesto nila. And now Sunday Shrooms is just cleaning everyone para mapunta na sa next round. Or may gagawin dito si Ram? Wala nang magagawa dito ang Execration. Sa wakas, Sunday Shrooms now on the board, 3-1. Pero Execration, they still look like the better team and the solid outing, no, para sa kanila, especially from Ram and Teng. The duo system here for Execration. The solid core, no, Ram and Teng from last year, no, they really, truly are in the spotlight right now para dali ng Execration papuntang panalo. Pero Sunday Shrooms, they still have the potential para pigilan to.
Yeah, I mean, the way that it's standing right now, I think Sunday Shrooms slowly na lang napipiece together kung ano yung plano talaga ng Execration. Knowing na mahilig mag-push and pull ng map control ng Execration dito. Yung Sunday Shrooms medyo lang na lang ingatan. Pag ingat yung ginagawa na natin si Rami. So low, pare. Isang hipan na lang. Makamatay na to, pare. Muntik pag mahanap yung C4 para sa side ng Execration. Pero si Cetra, hawak na yung sniper. They're gonna be forcing Execration to back off. It looks like that's exactly what's gonna be happening here.
Baka mag-go through na lang tong Sunday Shrooms na to, no? Sa pagkuha ng hotel control. Kit from todo yung J-Vice. Mabilis na rin nag-relocate. Papuntang hotel. Mababasa nga kagad ng Sunday Shrooms yung mga naglalakad dito. Dracifer masyadong mabilis. Nabagalan si Kid from Tondo. Naupo, nagulat na lang na biglang may nagpipik na idol doon. And now Execration. They now found a body dito sa hotel. Opening ba yun para i-commit nila?
Wala kung back off ulit sila dito. After getting that first kill over onto Kid from Tondo, kailangan nilang kunin ulit yung espasyo. Cetra finds Dracifer. Ayun, kailangan nilang pag-isipan saan ba talaga sila pupunta kasi konti na rin yung oras. Kailangan nilang pag-igihan, kailangan nilang pag-ingatan yung ginagawa nila dito kasi remember the last time they did the same thing, it came down to the very last second. And now dahil walang kahit anong map control yung Execration, they might be put in a very bad spot. Pero good news is Suna is gonna be falling. 2v4 tayo ngayon. Turning around si Carlo, naharap si J-Vice. And suddenly, it's looking very possible para sa kanila.
Hindi natin nakikita na Sunday Shrooms. Wala talaga silang room for any improvement or room for any recovery, no, para kahit pa paano may oras sila para mag-recover or to think of different ways para matalo nga itong Execration na to. For the most part, masyado ata nabibilisan sa pacing ang Sunday Shrooms dito kung paano nilalaro ng Execration tong angkara na to. For the most part, no, Execration will be trying to get hotel control. Tapos pag oras na para magbato ng utils, yung lineup ng Execration is para lamang pala dito sa A. And now Execration with a huge spread of kills, stopping down the defense of Sunday Shrooms. Grabe nga naman yun. And now Kid from Tondo. Pupunta na ng mabilisan. Naku po, Sunday Shrooms. Smoked out na nga yung pathway nila Kid from Tondo. Kaso nga lang, ang C4 hindi pa rin natatanim, and there goes Teng. But this will now be the start of the retake for Sunday Shrooms. Cetra is gonna get the kill from a mile away. At ilalaro niya talaga ang distansya dito. 30 seconds para sa Sunday Shrooms. They will now be starting the entry. Asa may lasot sa likod. And they will now be getting it. Ram! Madadali ni Cetra to get the double for Sunday Shrooms. 2-point lead na lang ang meron ng Execration. Pero would you believe it, that would have still been around for Execration?
Yan, napakahirap ng mga pangyayari doon. Just when you thought that Execration had the chance to win that round, biglang nabaliktad dahil kay Cetra. Napakalinis. Suddenly, there's hope here para sa Sunday Shrooms. Napabagal yung momentum ng Execration and now, kailangan nilang pag-isipan talaga ng maigi. Ano ba talaga yung gagawin natin? Do we do the same thing? Do we switch it up? What can we do to make sure that Sunday Shrooms can't catch up to us? Kasi lumiliit yung lead nila dito. 2 points na lang as you said. And remember, we're actually approaching the end of the first half dito.
Okay. Execration having a bit of a good start in terms of performance. Lalo na yung init. Lalo na si Ram, 10 kills already. Pero wala pang masyadong tumatapat sa kanya dito.
Oops.
Sa Sunday Shrooms. Parang gusto nila is rektahin na kagad to sa connector o mag-under pa ba sila? Katanungan na mamaya pang masasagot ng Sunday Shrooms pati ng Execration kung saan nga ba ang punto ng atake nila. Pero so far tahimik at passive pa rin ng Execration pati SS.
Yeah. Nice and slow. I think this is looking almost like the way that Ubik Maniac were playing kanina, no? Execration want to take it slow. To deny lahat ng information sa Sunday Shrooms para makapag-overthink sila. Hindi na lang kung saan manggagaling yung mga utility. Pero mukhang may idea si Kid Frontondo. Naamoy niya yung paparating na push galing sa Execration dito. Only 1 minute left on the clock si J-Bice. Manapwesto dito tamang jiggle pick lang looking up for any kind of presence. Galing sa Execration. I don't know. It's gonna come down to maybe the last 10 seconds again. Same as round number 1. Or ito lang nga. Flash is gonna be brought out. Cetra able to take down Racer. That's gonna be the first blood of that round. And there's so little time to go.
5. Labang sa tao ngayon ang Sunday Shrooms. Grabe nga naman ang depensa nila neto. Walang masyadong sinayang ang Sunday Shrooms kundi bala lang sa magazine na daladalang nilang baril. Sunday Shrooms without the need of utils. Execration pang nag-set up ng site na yon. But to little to no effort, Sunday Shrooms just walked over and bang, bigla na lang nawala ang Execration na parang ganun lang. And now Sunday Shrooms once again in a familiar position pero 30 lalaliman ang kanyang pwesto papunta kay Cetra. And now Sunday Shrooms is in a bit of a fiasco, men. Naguguluhan na ata sila kung saan sila pwede mag-rotate kasi walang magra-wrap around para naman sa Sunday Shrooms. Parang gusto ata ng Execration is umatake na dito kagad sa vents.
Carlo.
Pero may kasama naman dito si Carlo. And there goes the shot and that was quick! Wala na si Chumat. Open nga ba ang A? O talagang pumupuntang Execration sa kanilang kakahantungan? Hindi natin alam. Setup. There goes the lineups.
Ganda na pwesto ni Kid from
No flag is called. Maganda to. And Tracer will be the first victim. Kid from Tondo is going to anchor this all on his own. Kaso nga lang masyadong overwhelming pre. Sumigurado pa si Turdy na wala nang pupunta doon, men. Overkill doon kay Kid from Tondo. Suna nag-iisa. Yung wraparound hindi na gumagana for Sunday Shrooms. Suna manggagaling from Ares all the way to entrance. Hindi na siya mag-defense dito. And the crossfire is now set up by Teng. And as well as Ram, there goes Teng with a barrage of bullets doon kay Suna. Execration with a convincing round once again.
Masyadong mabilis yung mga pangyayari doon, pare. Just as Suna turns around, biglang dalawa na yung nakapwesto sa harap niya. Hirap nun. Parang kung mananalo dito, Execration very well in the lead. They've won actually majority of the rounds in our first half para sa kanila. And ito na nga, kailangan lumaban ng Sunday Shrooms. Si Suna magsisimula sa 30 ang unang malalaglag.
Now, Tracer now finds the important member here of Sunday Shrooms na solido talaga magtawag ng calls. Especially the rotations that are very vital for the 3 rounds here for Sunday Shrooms. J-Bice wala na. And now, one more for Sunday Shrooms. Kid from Tondo gets overly exposed sa radar ng Execration. Grabe nga naman ang Execration. Parang pumipitas lang ng prutas sa puno. Isa talagang kumukuha ng patay ang Execration. Cetra na nga lang natitira. It's a 4 versus 1 with Sunday Shrooms just having little to no success talaga sa pagpwesto nila dito sa Ankara. Cetra still yet to get the kill, man. Pero parang ito na ata yung pagkakataon ni Cetra para buhayin muli ang rally ng Sunday Shrooms. Open plant mula sa Execration. This is an open invite para sa Sunday Shrooms na pumasok agad sa site, man. And now, this will now move into a position wherein Sunday Shrooms kailangan nilang hayaan si Cetra na magluto, men, and kahit ano pang mangyari doon. Kita mo naman kung ano ang pwesto na sinasakop ng Execration. 6-3.
It can be a great first half para sa side ng Execration. Confidence para sa kanila. 4 na round na yung kailangan nila para mapanalo yung map number 1. Hindi ko alam kung paano makakabawi yung Sunday Shrooms dito. Pero they're gonna try anyway. Needs gonna be out. Look, tira mo yung push ni J-Vice. Napakabilis. Dire-diretso na sila dito, tatlo ang nagpupush para sa side ng Sunday Shrooms habang nag-aantay sila ng push galing sa likod. Kate from Tondo magsisimula dito kay Teng pero may immediate trade galing kay Dracifer.
This is looking kinda nice here for Sunday Shrooms na kahit paano may kaya silang i-trade dito and parang ganun lang nababawi talaga ng Execration ng mabilisan. Now a 3v3. This will turn into a 2v1 or even a 3v1 kung hindi magro-rotate kagad ang Execration para tulungan dito si 30. Parang hotel control.
Dito,
maagang pasok ngayon ang Execration. Kaso nga lang, hindi narinig ni Suna. But there goes Ram with a kill over to J-Vice. But now quick scope. Cetra, wala talaga. Wala talaga si Cetra ngayon sa laro, men. Still 1 kill. Little to no impact para sa Sunday Shrooms. Execration, major 4-point lead.
It's looking pretty bad para sa Sunday Shrooms, Salvatore. Sabi natin kanina, hinahanap natin yung tamang timpla ng Execration. We're looking for the Execration that we were looking at in the off-season. Pero this time around, it looks like this is what we were asking for, no? Dire-diretso yung panalo. We're looking at the full potential of this Execration squad. And they're showing no signs of slowing down at any point in time right now.
Ayan. Chuma Cutie, wala na. Execration, minamadali talaga yung panalo nila dito. So far, Execration, sa dami ng ginagawa nila, lahat yun gumagana. And for Sunday Shrooms' consistency, hindi mo talaga makikita. Suda getting the multi-kills, pero hindi naman yun nako-convert to a round win. So now, ang lalim na kagad na pinapwesto dito. Wala talaga silang makuwang impormasyon kagad. Carlo just really wants to cover out LA and Dracifer, di kagad nakita. Akala magro-rotate, kaso nga lang Dracifer! Ma-overwhelm din dito ni Kid from Tondo. This is going to be a 2v2 just like that after kill from Kid from Tondo. Napigilan nila ang pasok ng Execration doon sa LA. But now, SS. Sila na ngayon ang mamumuno
si 30.
na nakatayo na lang. Cetra and Kid from Tondo will now be meeting 30 later on. Pero parang ilalaban nga muna na dito yung tunnel or will they set up the crossfire? Tama nga lang ba yung timing? Nakatago sila. May napakaganda nito. Cetra, magiging palaman ka na naman sa tinapay. Cetra, dahil sa pagtakbo. Pero nandoon si 30, gets the timing. Kid from Tondo gets the trade as well. 1v1. Lamang na lamang ang Execration dito pagdating sa pwesto. Kaso wala si Kid from Tondo. Nasa kanya ang C4. Mababasa nga ba ni Teng ang rotation nito?
Hindi yata pare. Takbo talaga si Kid from Tondo all the way towards B. Teng has no idea what's going on. But it's gonna be a pretty easy retake. Remember, 1v1 pa rin to. Everything is very equal. And wait, he's doubling back? Babalik pa yata ng A si Kid from Tondo. Ito na yata yung possible lason. Dahil sa kanila, kasi wala ng oras si Teng. Narinig niya yung paparating! And he takes him down! Just when you think na mababaliktad, he walks right into the whole loving arms of Teng.
Nakita na lang Sunday Shrooms yung pangarap nila, men. Napakalawak na nakikita na nga nila. Kaso nga lang, Sunday Shrooms, hindi kagad na rotate ni Kid from Tondo yung pag-swing ni Teng, men. And this is just looking pretty kind of bad for Sunday Shrooms. Execration still playing the experience dito sa Ankara. Mapa nila to from last year and everything is just working like Carlo. Basang-basa ang Sunday Shrooms. Mapa-hotel, mapa-tunnel, mapa-A-site. Lahat ng miyembro ng Sunday Shrooms bumubulagta.
Ganda parang pwesto ni Ram dito You saw the needs being brought out as well. Walang maharap kahit anong espasyo yung Sunday Shrooms dito. It's feeling more and more claustrophobic. Pero hawak na hawak nila yung area na to. They're not willing to move forward over onto A-site kasi hindi pa nila nahanap yung tamang setup ng Execration. Saan sila magbabato ng kahit anong utility dito. But they're gonna have to keep trying. Ram able to find one. The flash is now being brought out over onto the side. Everyone blinded out of their minds. Razorper starting it off here with Chumat, yung the first person to fall. Ang ganda ng hawak niya sa side na ito. Pero, ito nga, Execration, napakarami nila. One by one, they fall, but Kid from Tondo is gonna be fighting back. Si Cetro na natitira. So, much pressure on the one man with only one kill. This guy, he has to wake up. And he has to wake up now. But he's gonna get Carlo. Andyan lang yung trade. 2v1 still not converting, and Execration are on set points.
Malas nga ba to o milagro para naman sa Sunday Shrooms? Pero Execration will now most likely be tested once again. Kung ganun pa rin ba ipapakita nila, Cetra finally gets the win over to Carlos Duel na iniisyo niya kanina pa. Sunday Shrooms on the board in terms of kills. Tracifer and Tech, natitira na lang 2v4. Pero gustong domestic at gustong lumaban ni Tracifer. As this will be a quick round to Sunday Shrooms. Execration took early dito para makalabas ng site. And wow, they really wanted the smoke at hotel. Kaso nga lang Sunday Shrooms, sabi nila, sige, ilaban nyo.
Ilaban nyo pa, pare. It's not over till I say so. Sunday Shrooms, gusto nilang labanan isa-isa. Yung mga kalaban nila, Cetra ngayon, magkakapag-trade dito kay Chumat as he falls at the hands of Carlo. 4v4 tayo ngayon. You can see, biglang nag-unlock yung ating confidence galing sa side ng Sunday Shrooms. Si Cetra biglang nagising. Si Chumat, unang malalaglag. Pero ito na nga, hindi na makikita si Teng dito. Suna is gonna be falling. 3v4 with now pressure in the hands of Execration. They need to be able to finish this off or else Sunday Shrooms can continuously move forward. Yung momentum baka mapunta pa sa kanila. Kaya kailangan nilang i-secure ngayon. Here with the C4, naharap ngayon, Execration. Napakababa ng kanilang mga health bars. Cetra and J-Bice one by one are being taken down. Ito na lang si Ram, si 30. Sila yung natitira para sa side ng Execration. Napakababa ng health. Pero it might be enough. With J-Bice now having fallen. Si Ram na lang natitira. Si 30 na sa kabilang dulo, kabilang dako ng mapa, etc. He just jumps all the way forward. With the C4 in the hands of Execration, Sunday Shrooms have to find the way out.
30 and Ram. Kailangan lang talaga lang mag-hold eh. Wala na silang kailangan laliman pa eh. It's like, they just have to bait Sunday Shrooms na makapasok dito. Pero Cetra, oh, he's lurking on the territory of 30.
Oh boy.
Pero bigla rin siyang napabalik eh, no? Napa-step back din siya kaagad. 48.
May oras pa ba?
Sunday Shrooms. Papalapit na sila dito sa side. Ram. Now find some company here. Ilalaban niya nga ba to? 40. Tumatakbo pa rin ng oras po ang Sunday Shrooms. Ang atake nila dito is B. Kaso nga lang masyadong malayo yung wraparound ng Execration. I-rush na nga nila tong site na to. Just Wabe. It's going to be an easy flat here for Sunday Shrooms. Matatagalan ang pag-setup dito ng Execration ng depensa. Si Ram mabilis na magro-rotate from Ares all the way to Batteries. He's now bunny hopping his way to a position dito sa site.
30.
Hindi ko nila alam. Nagkasalisiyan! Nagkasalisiyan! Tingin! Tingin! 30! What was that 30? Pero ngayon 1v1 na. But Ram will be getting the retake. Muntik pa makuha ng SS. Pero Execration on the back of a carry and monstrous performance by Ram. They